Hello all, I am Bhargavi. Today we are going to discuss about the topic verifying and building on creative ideas. This topic is very important in behavioral training in the job purpose. Creative ideas are important to solve many problems in real life as well as professional life also. Let's see how to build and verify these creative ideas. In today's fast-paced business environments, creativity is critical for success. It's important for teams to know how to brainstorm and build on creative ideas to stay innovative and being ahead in the competition. Brainstorm means it is the process of eliminating unnecessary ideas and selecting the main idea which is used to solve a problem. First of all, what is creativity? It is the act of turning new and imaginative ideas into reality. Creativity involves two processes, thinking and then producing. If you have ideas but don't act on them, you are imaginative but not creative. What is the difference between creative and critical ideas? Creative ideas tries to create something new, while critical idea seeks to assess worth or validity of something that already exists. Creative idea focus on possibility, while critical idea focus on probability. Next, creative idea follows divergent thinking, which is used to create something new, and critical idea is used to solve the problem by using convergent thinking, which is used to decide the options which already have. These are the skills needed for developing creative ideas. First one, open-minded. Open-minded means the person should learn first before he talk, and he need to have curious about something, about learning something new. And analysis means we already know, it means the process of examining. Experimentation means we need to experiment on the idea, means we need to make something new by using the idea. Sharing ideas with your friends or teammates. Building upon ideas means implement those ideas if other team members also agree the idea. These are the stages to build creative ideas. First one, research. Next, generate ideas, incubate, verify workability of ideas, implement ideas. Let's see one by one. Research. It is the process of systematic inquiry that entails collection of data, documentation of critical information, analysis and then interpretation. The example for research is project management. It is the set of activities which used for successful implementation of project. The project means we know already. It means a group of interrelated activities that need to plan. Before all activities, researching the details of project requirements and ideas to make further implementation is the main thing. So, research is the primary stage. Next, generate ideas. Idea generation or ideation is the act of forming ideas. It is the creative process that encompasses generation, development and communication of new thoughts and concepts, which become the basis of your innovation strategy. The example for generating ideas is communication with the team, absolutely. Means this will help a lot to generate new ideas by discussing with our friends or teammates or colleagues. Incubate is the process wherein an individual or an organization supports the establishment and growth of startup. Those who support the startup or new companies are called incubators. Next one stage is verifying workability of ideas. Workability of ideas means the ideas is used to solve the problem or not. We need to verify it. If the idea is not used to solve the problem, then we need to again build on, generate new ideas, incubate and verify workability of ideas again. If any idea is used to solve the problem, then we can go to next step, which is implement ideas. Implementing ideas means it is putting your ideas into action. Once you have identified a creative idea or a solution to a problem, the next step is to transform idea from concept to practical reality by implementing it. Means we need to brainstorm and validation board are useful ways to verify and validate idea. If no idea suited, means we not go to this step. If any idea suited, then we need to go to implement idea. In implementation idea, we need to implement those ideas into action. Conclusion. Creative idea techniques are very useful to generate new ideas in every organization. The new way of thinking should always be encouraged and creativity should always be welcomed. Creative thinking is useful to complete work in smarter and easy way.